Hey there everybody, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today we installed the Yamoto skid plate on my CRF300L. So this should be pretty easy, so let's jump into it. Alright, this thing looks like it's pretty great quality. Alright, here's what you're going to need to install it. It's a 5mm. And you have 2 longer bolts with washers and spacers and 2 shorter bolts. Longer bolts in the front, shorter bolts in the back. Alright, I guess we'll start off putting them in by hand. Alright, better to put the spacers in first. Yep. No! Alright, that's a little fiddly. Alright, just a couple things to note. When you install this, you want these to be kind of loose. And then you want your back bolts over here to go in first. Because this ear here that this goes into is a little slanted. So you just want to give it a good couple hits to where it you're getting contact there on the mounting points. So if you tighten the front ones first and the side first, you won't get sufficient contact right there. So just make sure that these contact points in the back are good to go. And that's about it. Yeah, so definitely add some heft to the bike. I went for the black because I think it would match sort of the black trim panels and the black exhaust better than just having a silver or aluminum skid plate down there. A couple things that I noticed that are pretty cool. I like how the flares come out here to protect some of the side here. It definitely will protect your filter cover. Not quite clearing the coolant hose part here, so it'll still protect it though from something catching on it, but it doesn't go all the way through. It seems to have good clearance between the frame. It's not resting on the frame that I can tell. And I like how it actually protects all the way to the back here. I've seen some skid plates that don't flare out and that they just cover the front part and then this is cut away in the back. Alright, the good news is you still have access to your oil drain plug. It actually protects the side casing pretty well too. Alright. Doesn't seem to make a whole lot of noise. I'll see when I drive it though. Stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in picking up that luggage rack, I got it from bikerswithazbits.com. Bikersbits.com. Well, that's about it for tonight. I'll catch you on the next video.